Hi guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video I'm going to talk about PhD notification of IIT Guwahati. So IIT Guwahati already has published their PhD notification for winter season, that is for like December season, okay, December 2021 season. So guys, watch this video till the end and please share this video with your friends, because this video will be really helpful who like the students who had qualified GATE 2020 one exam. Okay, so suppose you have GATE score card, and so you will in this year for December session you will get one more opportunity to pursue your PhD program in Dream IIT. So guys, let's start. So okay, let's go start. I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. This is the homepage of IIT Guwahati, and these are the some basic information. Wow, so beautiful. Look, the ranking. So seventh in engineering and eighth in overall ranking in according to like NIRF ranking 2021. So this IIT is very good institute in our country. Okay, so seventh in engineering and eighth in overall in NIRF ranking 2022. Very beautiful IIT, very good institute in our country, and it is also is one of the finest institute in the world also. So guys, give your best for interview. So try to read more research papers to get very good idea like what is your area of interest. So suppose you are facing interview for December 2022, says for December 2021, and you will be asked question from your area of interest. So start reading research papers. Okay, so I'll make a different video about your like area of interest. And so guys, let's start. And you have to scroll down, and you will be able to see this admission to the PhD programs for December 2021 session. And look this. So like application are invited from the eligible candidates for December 2021 session admission to the Doctor of Philosophy PhD programs of IIT Guwahati. So application submission process start on like 7th October 2021. And look, next like admission process submission process ends on like 8 November. So the starting date was like from 7th October, and like application process will be end on like 8 November up to 5 p.m. So and look, application fees is like about, look, for all other candidates means like general candidates, OBC candidates, EWS category candidate, you have to pay 300 rupees, and all female candidates, all SC, ST, PWD reserve category candidates, you have to pay like 150 rupees, and all transgender candidates you have to pay like 150 rupees. So this is the application fee. And now I will show you other information that is related to like eligibility criteria. Okay, eligibility criteria. Okay, so look, eligibility requirement to for applying to the PhD in engineering. Suppose you want to if you want to apply in the engineering department, so you have to follow this eligibility criteria. Okay, so look, this criteria for civil engineering, Department of Civil Engineering. Okay, look, the eligibility criteria for bioscience and bioengineering. And look, this is the eligibility criteria for computer science and engineering. And look, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So these are from like engineering department. And yeah, I'm scrolled I'm scroll down like this very slowly. Just you have to read. Yeah, you can pause if you want to read. And look, eligibility criteria for like design department. And look, eligibility requirement for applying to PhD in science. And look, eligibility requirement for applying humanities and social science. Okay, and Center for Indian Knowledge System. So these are eligibility criteria. Look, suppose you are from your master degree in arts, commerce, science in relevant area with minimum 5.5 CPR or 55%. Okay, so you have to, suppose you have like master degree in engineering and technology, you should have CPI like near about 6 or 60%. So I think this all this information will be really helpful. And like for receiving assistance in PhD programs in humanities and social science, Center for Knowledge System candidates qualifying UGC, CSR and lecturership also eligible. Suppose you have this type of eligibility criteria, so you will get. And all the relaxation for like reserve category candidate by 5%. So 5% means you have to you should have CPI like 5, near about 5. So I think these are all the eligibility criteria you will get from this website. Just I want to give this information for your benefits. Okay, so look, new department is there like disaster management and research. So you will be able to apply. Look, the students who are from economics, who are from geology, who are from statistics background, okay, so you will be able to apply in this department. So I think all this information will be really helpful. Okay, and thank you, all the best. This information I think really will help you, and please share this video with your friends. And that's all from my side today. Okay, tata.